Hi audience, today I have a filming light unboxing for you of this GODOX filming light. So here's my current filming setup with the background and the camera and now the two lights over here. Okay, so let's unbox this bitch. And I have been trying to make the lighting in my videos more special. You have seen some of those RGB lit videos I have done, and I have, seen so huge benefits of using RGB lights in your videos that I decided that I'm going to bite the bullet over here because I saw this new product. It comes in this case, and it's a really fancy case actually for a product like this. Foldable things that you can guide the light beam with. This is just plastic. The charger port over here, that's USB-C. If we move this dial over here, it increases and decreases the brightness. The mode button, it changes the mode. Here it cycles through colors like that. These things are usually pretty easy to use when you start to understand how they are actually used. So here you can change just the color like this. Okay, so here's the music mode. This is one of the reasons I bought this thing. Okay, so now I'm in my room and I'm going to show you some things with this lightsaber thing. You learn to use this thing actually very fast. Now we have this green. I'm going to do some art also with this. Yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff with this thing. Like, holy shit, this is awesome. Like, man. So that's the first introduction and the video for the GODOX lightsaber. You will see me use this thing in the future, and as a last note, you can put it on your tripod. So that's the current setup. Doesn't that look pretty good, Like, holy shit. Like, freaking man, it looks like beautiful.